Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Spotify to Twitter. So, for example, I listen to the song and then I want to share it to my friends on Twitter, and I want to share my what I currently listen to on Twitter. So what you need to do is just open the song that you're currently playing, for example this one, and then click on the three dots icon and then scroll down until you find the share option right here, and then the list of the apps that you can share it will appear like this. And if you want to share it to Twitter, just click on Twitter, and then you can choose whether you want to share it into direct message or tweet. I'm going to choose tweet. Okay, so the links are shortened automatically and then it will appear like this. So you can choose whether you want to make everyone can reply, or people you follow, or only people you mention. And when you're done, just click on tweet like this. Okay, I'm going to see it on my Twitter. Oops. Okay, just like that, the song will be shared on Twitter like this. Okay, so that's so easy. And if I think that's all for me. If you get any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.